FedEx pilots reusable packaging system to cut costs and waste. FedEx is piloting a reusable shipping container designed for business to business supply chains, part of a broader industry effort to reduce packaging waste while improving operational efficiency. The system, developed with circular logistics company Returnity, focuses on predictable logistics flows where shipments regularly move between known facilities. By integrating reusable containers into the FedEx parcel network, the companies aim to make reuse workable within existing distribution systems. For retailers and distributors managing large volumes of internal shipments, the model could reduce reliance on disposable corrugated boxes while lowering packaging costs. Reusable packaging. Designed for closed-loop logistics, reusable shipping containers have long been discussed as a sustainability solution, but parcel networks are largely optimized for single-use packaging. FedEx and Returnity approach the challenge by designing containers tailored to controlled B2B environments rather than consumer deliveries. The containers are intended for closed-loop supply chains where shipments repeatedly move between the same facilities. Examples include inventory transfers between distribution centers and stores, internal company logistics, or field service operations. Because the sender and recipient are part of the same operational ecosystem, the containers can be recovered and returned into circulation more reliably than in open consumer shipping networks. The containers were also built to move through existing FedEx sorting and automation infrastructure. Each unit can carry shipments weighing up to 50 pounds and is designed for roughly 50 uses before replacement. The collapsible design allows the containers to take up less space when empty, which can simplify returns and storage within warehouses or retail backrooms. Testing the business case for reuse. FedEx positions the initiative not only as an environmental effort, but as a potential operational improvement for high-volume shippers. According to the companies, reusable containers could reduce packaging costs by up to 30% over the course of multiple shipment cycles, compared with traditional corrugated boxes. Environmental benefits could also be significant if the containers are consistently returned and reused. Under typical operating assumptions, and with return rates above 60%, the system could reduce carbon emissions by an estimated 64 to 88% compared with single-use packaging. Early pilot programs conducted with B2B shippers in North America tested the containers across common retail and distribution scenarios. These included store replenishment shipments, internal inventory transfers, and reverse logistics operations. Participants reported several operational changes during the trials. Some retailers found that the containers simplified unpacking and restocking processes, while others noted reduced product damage during transit. In certain environments, companies also reported labor efficiencies when handling high volumes of inbound inventory. The reusable packaging system is currently available to FedEx B2B customers in the United States. The company has indicated that expansion into international markets, including Europe and Australia, may follow as the program develops. The pilot reflects a broader shift in logistics strategy, where sustainability initiatives are increasingly tied to cost control and operational performance, rather than treated as separate environmental programs.